Good morning, 9th Standard English Medium, Jyoti Shetty Vidyalay. Very warmful welcome in video lecture series. Okay, guys, today we learn Sanskrit lesson number 8, Kashayanam Kobratha. In last video lecture, we learned about this lesson, and today we learn more about this lesson, and as well as we learn the exercise. Okay, now I start on the page number 30. तस्य तादृशीं मनोदशाम् अवगम्य looking the mentally situation about the सत्यदेव गांधी महोदय स्वकीयम् आशयं स्पष्टं कर्तुं शान्तभावेन मृदुभाषया च सत्यदेव अकथयत् and then after Gandhiji to Satyadev talking like that with the cool and nice speech and good words, mridu bhasha means sweet sound, with sweet sound. शृणोतु भवान् सावधानेन मनसा, लिसन् मी केर्फुली. वयम् अन्येषां सेवां कर्तुं प्रवृत्ताः स्म. वी आर् डूयिङ्ग् सर्विसेस् टु अदर्स्. एतद् अस्माकं ध्येयमस्ति. दिस् इस् अवर् गोल्. सोशल सर्विसेस् इस् अवर् गोल् इन् दिस् आश्रम. भवान् जानत्येव यस्माकं देशे जनाः काषायं वस्त्रधारेण सन्यासिन सेवां कर्तुं सदैव समुत्सुकाः भवन्ति. You know very well, in our country the old peoples are serving this type of people. They are looking like a sage. They are sage, and this is the our culture in India. यदा भवान् सेवाकार्यं प्रवृत्तो भविष्यति तदा काषायवस्त्रधारिणां भवन्तं दृष्ट्वा एकतः ते भवतः सेवाकार्यं न अङ्गीकरिष्यति. If you are wearing the saffron clothes, the people cannot accept your servicing, cannot accept your help. अपरतः ते भवतः सेवां कर्तुं प्रवृत्ताः भविष्यन्ति. And the twist is like that. They are servicing to you. So this saffron clothes, it's very much difficulty in our goal, like servicing to people, like doing the work about our countries. So अनेन किम् अस्माकं ध्येयं हानि न भविष्यति. So this is the really difficulty about the achieve our goals. संन्यास्तु मनोगते संकल्पैवः तस्य परिधानेन सह सम्बन्ध क्वामपि द्रष्टुं न योग्यः. Sage things, sannyasis is the like a mentally situation. It is like a thing about the thinking. It is the main element about the thinking. सन्यासी होना ये मानसिक सिचुएशन है. What about the relation about the saffron clothes? उसको वस्त्रों के साथ उसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है. अगर मन से सन्यासी हैं तो वो भाव होना चाहिए. वस्त्र कोई भी पहने, लेकिन सन्यासी होने का भाव होना चाहिए. So संन्यास्तु मनोगत संकल्पेव. This is the element about our internal thinking. So अहम निश्चितं मन्ये यत् काषायं वस्त्राणां त्यागेन संन्यासत्याग नैव भविष्यति. If you are leave the saffron clothes, you can't leave the sannyas. So I think so. Gandhiji tell like that. अतः विचारयतु भवान् तद अंतरं यदोक्यं तत् करोतु. Okay, now think about on that, and then after you can do anything for as you like. So Gandhi Mahodaya एतादृशं वचनं श्रुत्वा स्वामी सत्यदेव संशय तस्मिन्नेव क्षणे व्यपगतः. So listening about this word from the Gandhiji, Satyadev's doubt is destroyed at that time. सः काषायवस्त्राणां त्यागं कृत्वा सेवाकार्ये आत्मानं योजयितुं सन्नद्धो भवत्. And then after at that moment they leave the saffron clothes and they started the servicing work about at the ashram. So kashayanam vastram koprat. What is the fault in the saffron clothes? There is no any kind of the fault in saffron clothes, but in our Indian culture sages are always greater person, and common people looking a sage in a unique personality as a similar about the God. So this is the main theme about this lesson. I hope so you can understand very nicely. And when I give the pick about the translation from lesson number 8, you can write down the translation in your notebook and understanding very well this lesson. Okay, this lesson is very much important about the criteria of examination, like a question answer, like a comprehension, like a translation, as well as the short note. Okay guys, now we are going to learn the exercise. निम्न प्रश्नानाम् उत्तराणि समुचितं विकल्पं चित्वा लिखत. So this is the MCQ. I hope so you can do yourself very nicely. And then after question number 2, अधोलिखितानां प्रश्नानाम् एकवाक्येन संस्कृतभाषायाम् उत्तरलिखत. सत्यदेव कः आसीत्? सत्यदेव सन्यासी आसीत्. गान्धीमहोदयस्य ध्येयः किम् आसीत्? लोकसेवा गान्धीमहोदयस्य ध्येयः आसीत्. But particular word is given in the lesson, you can use that. ओके, जनाः कस्य सेवां न अङ्गीकुर्वन्ति? जनाः सन्यासीन् सेवां न अङ्गीकुर्वन्ति. कस्य त्यागेन सन्यासी त्यागः न भवति? काषायं वस्त्रायण त्यागेन सन्यास्य त्यागः न भवति. स्वामी सत्यदेव किमर्थं सन्नद्ध अभवत्? स्वामी सत्यदेव देन आफ्टर ओके इन संस्कृत, गान्धीमहोदयस्य वचनं श्रुत्वा स्वामी सत्यदेव सन्नद्ध अभवत्. So now adholikitam kriyapad and prashnavakya, this whole question when we discuss about the grammatical section we can learn very nicely. But I think question number 4, rekhankit padanam sthane prakoshthat uchitam padam chitva prashnavakya rachata. Now it's very easy for you, so you can use the prashnavakya in underlined word, and then after you can create the question sentence in Sanskrit. Okay, then after question number 9, Matrubhashayam Uttarani Likita. This all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions are in English, so you can understanding very nicely and you can write down yourself. So now we must be understanding very nicely lesson number 8, Kashayanam Kobrata. In next video lecture we will talk about the more of lesson number 9. It is Uppkara Vastu Kartavya. It is grammatical type of lesson. It is very important. Okay guys, so now today is a Monday, and Tuesday and Wednesday your test will be going on, the 4th unit test. So you can prepare yourself test subjects, and next Monday or when the open the Diwali vacation, you can give me this homework about the lesson number 8 question answer and MCQs also. And I request you, all of you, you must be read 2 time introduction paragraph, 2 time glossary and 2 or 3 time lesson, and then after you can prepare yourself very nicely this lessons exercise. It is very important lesson in the prose section. So we completed lesson number 1 to 8 in Sanskrit, and next video lecture we have started lesson number 9, but in between there is the Diwali vacation will become. So after Diwali vacation we will continue about the Sanskrit, Gujarati and Hindi subject. You can take yourself carrying it at your home and stay home, safe home. And second thing guys, you can will be prepare very nicely unit test, course, all kind of subject, and you will be conduct the exam very nicely. Why? Because exam is very much important part. Okay guys, second thing is in duration about the Diwali vacation, you must be fulfill all question answer about the all my all subjects, Gujarati, Hindi and Sanskrit lessons question answer complete in your notebook. So in 1 to 8 lesson we are very much clear about it. Sanskrit same as Gujarati, same as Hindi. So I request you all students, you can complete your homework very nicely, all kind of subjects, and prepare yourself as a unit test 4 in subjects which is given in the test. So I hope so guys, you are very much clear about lesson number 8. In next video lecture we started lesson number 9. Okay, till then goodbye. Take care yourself at your home. Enjoy your Diwali vacation. Enjoy your learning at home, and I hope so you can conduct your unit test very nicely and very seriously. Thank you. Have a nice day.